Welcome everyone to my creative world of art. In today's video, we will see how we can reuse the tissue paper roll and create a beautiful storage stand. So let's begin. Firstly, let's color the cardboard roll with black color. Once the base is dried, take few white strips of paper and glue them in a way that it gives black and white stripe pattern. Instead of paper, you can also use a white paint to create the stripe, whichever is more suitable for you. Also color the inside area with white color. The base stand is now ready. Now draw a flamingo bird on a piece of pink paper and cut it out. Take few pink strips of paper. Quill the edges with strips of pink paper to give it a 3D look. Color the beak with the black color. And now, quill the edges with black paper. With the help of a quilling tool, create the scrolls of paper as shown to fill the inside part of flamingo. Don't worry if you don't have a quilling tool. Check out my previous video on how to make a homemade quilling tool. Click on the I button for the link. You can fill in more designs as per your choices to enhance your flamingo. Now, let's stick the flamingo onto the base roll. Take the pink strip of paper and create the legs as shown. Your amazing flamingo storage stand is ready. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more such amazing DIY tutorials.